मैं लव्या, मैं आ गई एक और अच्छी सी वीडियो लेकर। मेरी बूजी और मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग चैलेंज खेलने वाले हैं।
हाय गाइस, हम आज एक गेम खेलने वाले लेफ्ट एंड राइट, जिसको आप खेल सकते हैं मम्मी के साथ, पापा के साथ, छोटे के साथ, बच्चे के साथ, बड़े के साथ, मोटे के साथ, पत्ते के साथ, किसी के साथ भी खेल सकते हैं। तो आइए लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम।
जीतने वाले को मिलेगा ये गिफ्ट।
गाइस, हम जो गेम स्टार्ट करने वाले, इसमें हमें दो चीजें दी जाएंगी, जिसको हमारी चॉइस से हम करेंगे लेफ्ट या राइट या राइट या लेफ्ट। तो पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे लव्या से, क्योंकि वो छोटी है तो इसको चांस देते हैं लेफ्ट या राइट चूज करने में। उसके बाद जो जीतेगा उसको चॉइस मिलेगी लेफ्ट या राइट करने में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द गेम।
Now let's start the game. Lavya, you choose which one you want, left or right.
Right.
Now open your eyes. Which is on your right? Now take you both guys. आपने ये दोनों चीजें ले ली हैं. Now I have to put a timer. ये लीजिए टाइमर, इसको स्टार्ट कीजिए.
ऐसे।
Now start.
Done.
So Lavya has done it. 1 point to Lavya and 0 to Booji. Now let's start with the second one.
Yes.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
क्योंकि पहली गेम लव्या ने जीती है, तो लव्या विल नाउ चूज अगेन. लव्या चूज लेफ्ट और राइट.
Left.
Okay, open your eyes. Lavya choose. Now start coloring. Colors are given on your table. Start coloring. So let me start the timer once again.
पूरा फिल करना।
Lavya is doing very fast.
Yeah.
Booji has also started, but Booji has an advantage because unicorn is all white. So Booji just has to fill others. Come on guys, let's see who wins this. Lavya, you are doing just one color. Change your color.
Okay.
So colorful. मुझे तो बूजी का बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. टाइमर भी हमारा रन हो चुका है. लेट्स फ्लिप इट. सो लेट्स सी कौन जीता है ये राउंड. दोनों के बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा ही टाइम ब्रेक हो रहा है. बूजी ने बहुत सारा फिनिश कर लिया है. लव्या का भी हो चुका है. अपने अपने पे ध्यान दो, नहीं तो आप ये चैलेंज हार सकते हो. सुंदर सुंदर करना है.
मैं कुछ भी कर सकती
बूजी ने कितना सुंदर बनाया है यूनिकॉर्न.
हूँ।
और लव्या, शो योर वर्क. ओके लव्या, यू मस्ट विन दिस बिकॉज आपको बहुत कम मिला है कलर करने के लिए. ओह वाओ, अगर ये कलरिंग कंपटीशन होता तो बूजी फर्स्ट आते.
I will win. I will win. I will win.
Lavya has only one thing to color and Booji also has only one thing to color. Now let's see who wins this. Tick tick. 1.
Done.
Oh, Lavya! Show it. Lavya, show it.
Now करेंगे।
Oh, this is very good.
This is good. This is
This is better.
Okay, let's go to another one. Now Lavya, how many points you have?
2 points.
And Booji?
0.
Oh, Booji, this time you have to win. So cheer for Booji. Hip hip, Booji. Let's win. So, are you guys ready for the next one?
मैं जीतना है, पिप लव्या होनी चाहिए।
No.
Yes.
So, let's start with the next one. Close your eyes. So, again, Lavya, आपने ही राउंड जीता है. So, you have to choose left or right.
Wrong.
Okay, open. Okay, what Booji has got
Addition and subtraction.
and what Lavya has got.
N.
Okay, start.
7, 3, 10. 5 and 3.
Lavya, start.
8, 8 and 5. 13. 10 minus 3, 7.
Booji, you have to win. This is very easy for
5
you.
and 4. 6, 2, 4. 4, 4, 8.
Lavya has just done 2.
9, 1, 1, 8.
Okay, this time Booji has won.
Done. An egg, a mat, a book, an igloo, a car, an ant,
Okay, Lavya, you have done all right.
Three,
Okay,
and
Booji,
now-
let me see yours.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay, you have also done all right. So this time Booji has won. Obviously, Booji ने ही जीतना था. तो अब Booji जीत चुके हैं. तो next time Booji will choose. Okay, Lavya. Now score is.
आखिर बंद करो.
2 and 1.
Okay.
आखिर बंद.
Okay, this time Booji has to choose. Booji, left or right?
Left.
Open. So, Booji has to spot 10 differences and Lavya has to find the way. So, let's see who wins. Lavya is going so fast. Booji has already spotted 2 difference. 3 difference. And Lavya is in the midway. 5 differences. 6 differences. Lavya is going too fast. 7 differences. 8 differences. Oh, Lavya has found the way. She has reached. And Booji has found?
8.
So Lavya, help karo Booji ki. Find 2 more.
9.
9. Only 1 difference. Find the difference. Okay.
10.
Okay. So this time Lavya has won. So now the score is again 3-1. Booji. This time आपको जीतना था. Okay, no problem. So now Lavya has to choose. Okay, now Lavya has won. Lavya, choose left or right.
Wrong.
Right. Open.
Yes.
So Booji has to cut a heart and Lavya has to paste a heart.
That's that.
Let's start. Oh, Booji has already started. This time Booji is gonna win.
No.
Oh, Lavya, wow.
I will win.
Oh, Lavya has already done it. So easy. Oh, Lavya, you have a pink heart. Booji is still cutting her heart. It's so hard to cut a heart.
I have big heart.
Oh. So this time again, Lavya has won. So score is.
4 and 1.
So again, Lavya has to choose. Okay, again, Lavya, choose left or right.
Left.
Okay, open. So, Lavya, what you have to write? What Booji you have to write? Booji has to write colors, 7 colors, and Lavya has to write 7 days of the week. So this time, Booji gonna win.
White, purple, yellow,
Booji is writing so fast. Lavya is slow.
silver, golden, and here we go, green.
Oh.
Red, white, purple, yellow, silver, golden, and green.
Lavya is doing. Booji has done. Red, white, purple, yellow, silver, gold and green.
4 and 2.
Booji, ये आपने slow लिखना था because you are fighting with a small 6 years girl.
4 and 2.
Lavya has done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then Lavya, you are writing.
Thursday.
Yes, right, Thursday. Complete your challenge. Lavya, Thursday नहीं होता, Thursday होता है. THURS.
FRI.
Friday. Next is Saturday.
Saturday night. Saturday night.
Oh, good. Saturday. And last one is your favorite?
Sunday. Sunday is a holiday.
Yeah. Sunday is a fun day. और संडे क्योंकि इसलिए फेवरेट है बिकॉज लव्या ईट्स मैगी ऑन संडे. Sunday is Maggie Day. So finally Lavya has done.
I won.
This time Booji has won. Now the score is
4 and 2.
4 and 2 and we have only 2 games left. So it's gonna be a draw or Lavya gonna win. So this time Booji has won, so Booji got the chance to choose. So guys, close your eyes, only 2 more games. Okay, now we have puzzle time. So Booji, now your turn to choose left or right.
Right.
Okay, open. Okay, start making the puzzle. Okay, Booji has 4 pieces and Lavya has 5 pieces. Oh, Lavya has already done that.
Done.
Oh, Lavya has already done. Lavya, what you have made?
Zebra.
And Booji? Oh, so this time again Lavya won. So Lavya is gonna win.
Yeah.
So now last round is a fun round.
I will win.
So now last round. Close your eyes.
I will win.
So this is a fun round and very interesting and a good round. So Lavya, choose left or right.
Right.
Okay, open. Now whoever eats first,
Right.
Yeah.
whoever eats first will win.
Right.
Oh, Lavya is already eating. Booji doesn't want to eat. But Booji, to win the round, you have to eat.
I want this.
Oh, Lavya is already eating it. Booji, eat. You can win this. Oh, Lavya has already won. This one is also yours, Lavya. So इस राउंड में तो बूजी ने गिव अप ही कर दिया. Anyway, Lavya is gonna win. So Lavya, now show us your gift.
No gift.
You have already sweets in your mouth because you have won.
This is the gift.
So Lavya has. So now Booji is gonna give the gift to the Lavya. Lavya, it's all yours. Oh, not this one, Booji. The real one.
This one.
Yes, the real one.
No.
Oh, you open it. Oh, empty? Oh, so you have to fill it.
And this one. Money.
Ooh. So you can keep your coins
Yeah.
as well as your money in this. So Lavya is the winner.
So guys, कैसा लगा आपको ये चैलेंज? इंटरेस्टिंग लगा?
Interesting लगा.
थोड़ा तेज तेज करेंगे तो जीत सकते हैं, तो बट कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करेंगे पूरी जीतने की और हम दूसरी पार्टी को हरा देंगे।
नहीं,
चैलेंज,
यस
चैलेंज, चैलेंज, चैलेंज।
लाइक करें और सब्सक्राइब करो।